chain on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real. I'm not pressed to making lists, for real. I stay low and stack my chips, for real. You keep looking for a flip, for real. That's not wealth, that's rich, for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real. For real. For real. No liens on the whip, for real. I get bored, I take a trip, for real. Take a loss, I never trip, for real. Been in shock, I'm not a lick, for real. Don't trust the soul, it's on my hip, for real. Make a move and you get hit, for real. No pictures by the crib, for real. Can't let them know just where I live, for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real. For real. For real. Plain Jane on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real. It's only 8 a.m. I don't do it for the gram. I never mind, no man. At my 2020, whoa, whoa. Woke up to deposits and it's only 8 a.m. Do it for the fam, I don't do it for the gram. Do it for my daughters, do it for my little man. That's my 2020, reason why I win. Lot of missed calls, looking bloody in my call log. I bet to myself, I'm not sorry that I loud dog. Check my mental health, I was feeling like a lost dog. Bounce back and wipe my paws off. Get it off the humble and I stick to what I know. Nice on top of nice, long nights took a toll. Took some steps back, but I still get up and I go. And now you know, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it, yeah. New Jeep, no doors with it, no. I won't stop now, who you kidding, kidding. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma send it, I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it. Pressure on me daily, got the family on my back. Dreams are getting bigger, put the city on my map. Wrote inside my palm, but I'll try not to get attached. Moment that is here, could be over just like that. Fast car, no NASCAR. I was never working hard, I guess I'm mad smart. Top speed like a rocket, it was blast off. 6 figures from my couch without a mask on. Waited for my cycle like a laundromat. Going to the moon, it's on top and that. 2 straight years of dropping back to back. Epidemic jumping like an acrobat. I'ma make some and I'ma spend it, yeah. New Jeep, no doors with it, no. I won't stop now, who you kidding, kidding. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma send it, I'ma send it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it, I'ma make some and I'ma spend it. Every day I wake up, I'ma send it.
Good morning all. Hope everyone is well. Happy July, new month, new opportunity. Let's get into it. You guys know the drill. Let me make sure all systems go, everything's working. Does look like it, And yeah, let's get in. Do it for the fam, not for the gram. Yes, sir. secure some goits today. First of the month. Interesting. Need to go and do the analysis here. Check out how everything is going on here. First day of the month. Today is a very, no, not today, but this week is a very big week in the market as always. First week of every single month we have ADP, NFP, first Friday of every single month. And this week is a little bit special because we have UK elections. So for us pound traders, something extremely important. And I can break that all down, how that can affect long term as well. But yeah, with UK elections as well, it's obviously going to be something happening, you know. And looking at GJ now, we're obviously trying to move up already early in the morning. So we'll see what happens. So yeah, let's go ahead and start off with the news here. So today is going to be Tuesday here. We do have a bit of Euro news coming in at 1 p.m. Nothing really to worry about here, as that's 1 p.m. That's kind of after we finished. So yeah, a little bit later we have Powell speaking as well. As I said, this week, first week of every month, has a lot of, I would say, you know, a lot of news. They kind of get the news out the way. So we have Powell speaking today. Tomorrow we have PMI and ADP as well. Then we have GBP elections here, big one to see GBP elections. We have CPI for Swiss franc, doesn't really matter. USD bank holiday as well on Thursday, sorry. Friday, then we have NFP, right? First Friday of every single month, NFP. So, what do you mean it's Monday? Yeah, it is Monday today. My bad. So yes, today we have, what do we have today? CAD bank holiday and a little bit money supply, not too much important here, and a little bit of Euro news all day here. Yeah, overall, not bad. So yeah, moving from that, where I can't read the date. We have, what's this? We have elections today, yesterday for the French here. Not too big as the GBP elections. So we can discuss GBP elections. I'm not sure. GBP elections are happening on Thursday. So, I mean, we can discuss about it on Wednesday. So it's fresh. But all week we can be discussing about it. So having a look at price here. So let's go and start on the monthly candle. I want to see how the new monthly candles open. We've opened with a gap up here. So gap up. We do have a bottom wick. I do need to check my broker and see how that wick looks like on my broker here. Monthly. Yeah, we do have a wick on the monthly candle here. So we do have a bottom wick, obviously already breaking the high, already trying to continue. Previous monthly high is being broken here. And we're trying to continue towards the upside. No signs of any stopping here. Everything is pointing bullish. A little bit fishy to see this early. Continuation, obviously weekly candles closing bullish, daily candles closing bullish, monthly candles closing bullish, and really no break already on this current daily candle from the previous high here. We've already had why is the measurement showing like that? What's happening with Tradingview here? I think because we're on, that's weird. I don't know why Tradingview has changed their measuring way, but that should say 38 pips. That is 38 pips, but I don't know why they're putting in points now. So yeah, we're moving 38 pips already from daily open here. 4-hour time frame as well. Breaking current high. Bring back drawings here. Pretty simple drawings. I mean, do we have any previous levels? We did mark this previous daily resistance. We did react off this previous daily resistance, and we are reacting off the previous daily resistance. We can go to weekly, scroll back here and see if we can find some previous levels. There's a little gap here where we are right now. Let's move down to daily. So yeah, there's a daily resistance. That's the one we marked, 4 hour. 4 hours low as we can go. Next resistance, 204, of course. Key level, we have 204 as a key level. And then next resistance, 204, 240 here is a 4-hour resistance here. So we can mark that 4-hour resistance up here. 4-hour, there we go. Let's come back to price action here. Boom, so that's the next target. We obviously have this key level here. I'm gonna clone this and put this as 04 key level. That's obviously going to be an area of concern. We've seen key levels be extremely important at these levels. Yeah, you can't change it back to pips. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know why they adapted that, but just to educate you guys, number on the left times it by 10 to get the pips, number on the right divided by 10. So it's like gold now. it's annoying. They should have just kept it as pips, as that's what we're used to. But they're obviously trying to make money, right? Because they want people to calculate lots wrong. Gold has changed also. Let's see what gold is now. Let's see what gold is now. Gold is... yeah, gold has also changed into... wow, that's not even points. 21,000. What would that be? That would be 21,000. I don't know. I wonder if lot calculator is still working now. We can test that after the analysis for sure, but I don't think it would, right? If it is, then I don't know how that's going to work. But 21 pips, maybe no, this is 210 pips. You have to times this number by 10. This is 210 pips, but you have to divide this number by 100. That's the first time I've seen it. It's only the Oanda charts. Let's have a look. No, it's every chart, man. It's every chart. Every chart they've changed their measurement tool here. Very interesting to see that move from Tradingview here. Not sure what's behind that. Not sure what's behind that. Interesting. Probably. Anyways, let's move back onto GJ, back to GJ here. So obviously everything pointing bullish. Key level we need to worry about. I would love to see some sort of pullback here and then a close above 2004. I mean, not 2004, but 204 to see some upside. Mine did that. I just restarted the app and now it works fine for me. Yeah, we can refresh this page and see what happens. All right. So refreshing the page. No, it's still the same. Doesn't matter. So we still know what it is. So yeah, I would love to see pullbacks and then attempts to close above 204. Not sure how breakouts are going to work in London. They've tried, they failed every single London. Even last week, Friday, London breakouts failed. So we've been failing every London. Every London we've been failing breakouts. So it's hard to say today if a breakout is going to work because based on previous data, we failed every single one of them. So we need to be careful. Excuse me. So what we need to do is we need to be, wait for some sort of support. And if we see it failing, we need to manage quick, right? We need to be able to manage quick. Now it is beginning of the month, so we can give ourselves shots. I don't like how candles are forming all choppy like this. It's a little bit weird. How data feed is forming. I think there's just a bug on Tradingview in general today. I don't think it's that accurate how candles are forming. This candle size on Tradingview is 17 pips here, and on MetaTrader, actually no, that's not that right candle. This candle here is from bottom to top is 10 pips, and on the broker is 10 pips. Okay, so at least we're accurate. That's good. Instead of lose and 0 to make it easier, now check how many pips it is to add the intern added a 0. Yeah, they just changed it a bit. So going on to gold here, let's have a look at gold. Ooh, I have a lot of lines on gold that need to be disappeared here. Goodbye. I need to clean up these charts. So start off on monthly time frame on gold, right? So previous monthly here, opening again with that gap, right? We see monthly candle closing with weakness here, right? We see a little bit weakness in the monthly candle. Some brokers are different. We just see a rejection, but obviously showing some sort of weakness, some sort of doji indecision, which is telling me that we could see some downside, right? And we could see some downside, especially if we start to leave monthly candle low. Now, if you mark the monthly candle low here, you'll find that this monthly candle low is actually the bottom of our range. It is that daily support, weekly support, and all of those supports, right? Is that bottom of the range. So moving on to weekly candle here, previous weekly did close bullish, but still respecting. We're basically still stuck in between this range here. Nothing's really changed. And yeah, we're just still inside of this range. So analysis stay the same. Previous daily obviously closing bearish here. And 4-hour candles also trying to push down here. If we move on to the lower time frames, check out the 4-hour time frame. We do have a 4-hour support right here. We can move this to here like this. These candles will go and fix in a minute here. So looking at bias here, we are definitely bearish bias. Previous daily bearish, previous 4-hour bearish as well equals bearish bias. So we do have a long clean LTA here. This 15-minute seems concerning. I'm not sure if we can trade to that or if we want to be below that, right? That's that little support down here. But sells could make sense once we get below. We are reacting off this previous daily support at the moment here, which is acting as a 15-minute support here as well. I think we could sell down to here if we can get a pullback on gold as well, see it reject, and then maybe get closes below, or potentially even try sell back down to that zone is also an option. And in between here we have 19 pips, so it's not bad. It's not bad in terms of a range. It's definitely tradable. Let's just make sure we check the higher time frames. 30-minute is clean there as well. 1 hour is also clean there. Yeah, and I think the next watch zone is going to be that zone there. If there's no possibility to get in here, then obviously sells below here are going to be a lot cleaner below here. Here I believe you have another 20-30 pip range. Yeah, 20 pip range here as well below this zone, which kind of is starting to make sense. So yeah, I'm bearish on gold today. I'm looking for setups for sells today. Right? So yeah, that's the plan, both on GJ and gold here, right? So pretty straightforward here in terms of the plan. We can put this here. Sells below. That's pretty much what I'm looking for. I would like to see this pullback happen right now. What's 5-minute doing? 5-minute is trying to pull back here. Double rejection wick. Quite early still. I'd like to see this 1 hour close. 1 hour close in 10 minutes. I want to see the 1 hour close below the range here. So I'm going to wait for the 1 hour close and see if we can get the 1 hour close below the range. For GJ, as I told you, the plan was to get back above 20.04 after a pullback. This 1 hour close, of course, will be important. If we close doji, it's not showing us too much continuation. I really would like to see pullback, to be honest. You know, this is what we want to see, a liquidity grab. Hopefully this 15-minute candle can close bearish now. We want this 15-minute candle to close bearish, and yeah, then we can use that as structure point, because realistically here, if we're trying to take buys above here, we have to put stop loss 24 pips here. Not really in the mood for that. I want something tight in here and manage back inside of the range here, right? That's what I want to be able to do. Get in here, manage back inside of the range, and be able to get in and out as quick as possible, as these levels are still scary, right? USD JPY still at, yeah, scary levels, of course, right? Scary levels at USD JPY here. We're seeing, you know, 4 hours push on new all-time highs. And Bank of Japan are not throwing out the window that interventions are still going to be on the cards here. So we could intervene at any time. We didn't intervene on Friday, which is worrying. So we could intervene today. It's definitely possible, first of the month. You never know. What happened to all of these, man? All these don't have numbers, right? Oh yeah, because the US markets. So actually, no, these are all messed up. Yeah, something's going on with Tradingview. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be looking for here, both on GJ and gold. So if you guys enjoyed the analysis, be sure to leave a like on the stream. You guys know the drill. Yeah, hate to say it, but part of the game. Appreciate the support. How much of us in here? 381 of us. New month, new opportunity. Let's get it. And yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna put the scam like in chat. There's the scam likes in chat now. What's the blue key line? It's purple. It's key levels. Right? Whole numbers, 0.500s on GJ are key levels. Harry, you have connections with Tradingview, so you can call him. What's wrong with the guys? We do have direct contact to Tradingview, but this is that's licensing department. This is going to be the software department, right? we speak to the licensing department, and we have contacts actually. They did include they didn't, bro. Chance Brown, that's extremely messed up, bro. What you typed in chat. That is definitely not the comment of the day. Right? That was definitely not the comment of the day, what you wrote in chat, bro. Relax, bro. Damn. For me, all is okay. It must be the mess up Harry department. Maybe because you're on phone. What was your parents' reaction when you tell them full-time trader and not going to university? Well, university was always not on the cards. Even before I started trading, I told them that, you know, I'm not too keen. I want to start business. So they kind of just, you know, they understood. They saw me grinding, and, you know, as long as I was working hard, that's all they cared. They support, you know. You have to build a mature relationship with your parents so that they trust you when you tell them you're actually doing something. I mean, to be honest, I made quite... They were surprised at the money that I made in crypto, right? So they were like, oof, okay, he's on to something. Then they kind of just trusted me with it. Then they just told me, if you want to go to university, you can. And I said, thank you. One thing led to the next, and here we are. Harry, can you show me how to calculate pips in this method? You mean with the new Tradingview? That's exactly what I spent maybe about 5 minutes showing you that. 5 minutes showing you that. Why you quit crypto? I never quit crypto. I'm still an investor in crypto. I have a big portfolio in crypto. My crypto account, it's all right. In terms of size of the account, it's bigger than my trading account, but it's different because I don't want to keep that money on broker when I can keep that on ledger. Harry, I'm wondering if one day you'd go back to school for some studies. No way. That's a waste of time, man. Can you believe all the people who I finished school with, they're just about starting now to finish university. Actually, no, they still have a year left. And, you know, the life hasn't started for them, right? Life hasn't started for them. And, you know, they're well off from their parents. You know, their parents have good companies that they will hire them, and you know, they're okay in that sense. But it's not fulfilling in my eyes, right? It's not fulfilling. But there's no need to study unless you're going into a profession that requires study, such as doctor, engineer. Okay, we can say so. Lawyer, study like that. Yes, Sahad in chat said the same thing. I can see, unless you want to be doctor, engineer. Yep, exactly. The support and resistance video was amazing. I'm glad you guys liked it. How many views we get on that video? Let's have a look. If you guys liked it or not. 1.5k. It's all right. We used to, videos you guys like seem to be 2k, 2+k, but yeah, not the best, not the best. So some of you guys liked it. Not sure what you guys like these days, but it is good. It is good. I'm happy to put out the content. I'm happy to put out the content, and glad that you guys liking. From the comments, seems good. What do you think about funded account? I think it can be used as an opportunity, but are you a profitable trader? There's no point of taking a funded challenge if you're not profitable, you know, unless you sign an agreement to say that I'm willing to lose the money I paid for the challenge, and you do it for practice. If you do it for practice, then it's totally fine, right? Then it's fine like that, but accept that, you know. What coins you currently hold in your portfolio? Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? All these small coins I'm out of. Yeah. Bro, how much money is there in your trading account? Would you like to know what socks I'm wearing today? Thank you for the value. Love the video yesterday. I'm glad a lot of you guys liked that video. I'll make similar content if that's what we're interested in. What's wrong with the Wanda chart? Something's going on with Tradingview, you know, measurements are all weird, measuring and all of that stuff, you know. This is 6.2 pips, right? 6.2 pips. Yeah, weird. Right, 1 hour close here in 2 minutes. How's gold close looking? So gold pushed up here. Now gold 1 hour has to close below the range for sells to make sense, right? If we close back in the range like this, sells don't make sense, right? Now if we go look at GJ here, what do we need? We need 1 hour potentially to close bullish here, of course. We do have at least a nice 15-minute pullback that's been formed, which is good. I would like to see this 15 close bearish here, you know, because then that also gives us a setup 3. We can play above 20.04 pretty nicely. It closing weak bullish like this, I don't really like. Harry's university a waste of money? It's not a waste of money unless you go into it focused and trying to achieve something out of university. A lot of people make university a waste of money, right? Is because they go in there and just party and do nothing. What if the ledger dies? Well, your crypto is kept on private keys, right? So even if the ledger dies, those private keys can be transferred off chain. So if ledger dies, then then it's not only me who's gonna lose money, right? It's the whole system, right? Because that's not how crypto works. Remember, how a ledger works is that it keeps your private keys off the internet. So your private keys are not stored online, they're stored offline. It's only a storage of private keys. That's all it's storing. I wrote a quote for you on Instagram. Did you see it? No, I didn't. I didn't, unfortunately. Maybe I did. Did I like it or something? Where would SL be? Nothing yet, man. Nothing yet. We need something above 20.04. I need something not 22.04. With this 1 hour needs to make a nice bottom wicket. We have no structure yet. Pushing up, yeah, but let it make structure here. Let it make structure. With that 1 hour rejection, buys make sense? No, we're bearish bias. We asked this question, right? We asked this question, right? Remember in chat, this is what you asked here, right? In London plans, right? Let's go and see your London plan here. In London plans, you asked, can we buy above this? And then you said bias is bearish, right? No, we cannot, right? So you still follow that, even though the chart changes. Otherwise, you keep changing your plan, and this is how you lose in trading, because you keep changing your plan. You have to stick to your plan, right? You have to stick to your plan. Damn. I really do want to close above this, and no deep bottom wick here on the 1 hour. This is very interesting price action here. I really did want to close above this 5 minute. I mean, technically we did. It's hard to see with all these stupid gaps. Yeah, even there's gaps on my broker. It seems like something's going on with GBP JPY. Wow, where's this volume coming from? Candles are weird everywhere. Check your broker. Yeah, price action is nuts today. I don't know what's strange in the market today. Plan is wait for a pullback. I just wanted a bigger bottom wick. I haven't seen any breakouts work. We've just pushed up this morning. I don't know what's happening. This is weird. Candles are closing weird today. There's gaps on every single candle. I don't know. It's fishy for me. This volume is coming. Look at this 1 minute candles here. I'm not sure what's going on. This first day of the quarter usually give lots of volume. It depends. Like, you know, you just have to wait and see. But it's just weird how what I'm finding fishy is this is like, why are we pushing up so aggressively? And candles are looking weird. Pips are being calculated weird today. You know? Gaps are forming on gold. It's like there's something weird here. There's something weird. Like, I've never seen this. I've never seen this. Yeah, gaps on EU and GU. Yeah, like the gaps is showing me, like, how's spread doing? Spread is good, so it's not lack of liquidity here. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I've not really seen price action where we have this weird gaps and candles forming weird, because the candles look the same on my broker. I have these weird gaps on the candles. It's a new month, guys. You've never seen July 2024? That is true. Yeah, my entry here, I wanted just a deeper bottom wick, and then to get above this level, as I said, I wanted that previous 15 closing bearish, and then we could take it above the high. We've obviously got some sort of volume, random volume here. You see, this 1 minute did not even have a pullback. That is why I wanted the deeper bottom wick. This was the 1 hour candle open, this one here. I wanted a deeper bottom wick to prove to me that price does not want to continue down. Especially, you know, first candle of the month here. That's our first trading candle of the month in terms of setups. Right, in terms of 1 hour. Because look, we've been closing 1 hour bullish candle. The 1 hour setup one happened here, guys. That's where our 1 hour setup is. Back here. So look where we're buying. Like, we're literally buying the highs. So that's why we want the pullback. In terms of 30 minute, your 30 minute setup one was all the way back here. Again, now you're buying the highs. In terms of 15 minute, your setup one was back here. Again, you're buying the highs. And every single one of those setup ones gave you deep bottom wick, deep bottom wick. It made a little thunderstorm on the 5 minute, didn't break over the wicks, but I guess a close above resistance point of forming thunder. No, there's no thunder yet. Thunder would be one candle bullish, one candle bearish. This would be a thunder. If this candle closed bearish and the next one broke the high, would be a thunder. That would be how a thunder looks like, but we don't want it to have pushed that far. GJ is setting up to crash. I would like to see a pullback on GJ, would be nice. Obviously gold did not, right? So gold respected our zone, did not close below, oops, wrong time frame. Did not close below the 1 hour support, or even this support here. We literally rejected everything. How about intervention might be possible anytime? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. We could intervene at these levels for sure. That's just why I'm saying it's a little bit fishy. It's a little bit fishy. Was setup 3 played on 30 minutes before stream? That's good. Maybe price action will be good price action for this month. Yeah, there is good price action, but you know, we just came to the charts. Here's setup 3. We wanted that 15-minute pullback. you know. We wanted at least a good bottom wick on 1 hour, right? This is a 1 hour open. Early, we're still early. So we wanted a 1 hour pullback here. Not pullback, just a deeper bottom wick, at least to retest something. Look at all the bottom wicks on the, look, this candle had a small bottom wick. Look at the next candle, what it did in order to continue up. It had to make a deeper bottom wick. Same thing here, small bottom wick, next candle pulled back. All of these candles have good bottom wicks, right? So this is why. If we had, and also guys, we would have to have put stop loss below, probably here at least 18 pips, because we have no structure. That's why I wanted this 15 to close bearish, so that we could have structure to put stop loss below. And there's no way, because my original plan was buys above 204. Only way I enter before that is to see that deep bottom wick. Right now we're trying to form a thunderstorm. We could try scalp this thunderstorm if the next candle opens up, dumps, and then starts to break the high. What could an intervention possibly look like? Just asking because I have a position for buys. Last intervention looked like this. Right, so it's normally a very big, rapid, quick move towards the downside. That's last intervention. This one here. So that moved a total of 110 pips there, 113 pips. What are we doing now? We're trying to dump. Not a bad pullback, to be honest. Looking for a big pullback on GJ? Yeah, I think everyone has been looking for that, but it doesn't give. Crash? Yeah, just a matter of when. Yeah, we're due for an intervention, but you know, just a matter of when. Elections this week. You know, it's definitely interesting. See candles 1 minute, there's so many gaps. I wonder if we have same on GJ. There's a little bit weird gaps here as well on GJ. Do you have any theories on why the market is weird today? It's I don't know. It's interesting price action we're seeing. It's very interesting price action. Just the way the candles are forming with these gaps. There's something going on with the data feed or whatever. I'm contemplating if I want to scalp this 5-minute thunderstorm right now. We have a 5-minute thunderstorm forming. If this volume is just gonna be here and we just rip today, maybe it could be worth it. 12 pip stop loss or something. We'll see how price action forms. Huge volume on Tradingview glitch. I thought it was a Tradingview glitch, but my broker has similar type of gaps here and there. check Euro USD on your broker, see if it's exactly the same. But I don't have Euro USD on my broker. I mean, this is okay. This broker data feed is fine. I wonder what I have to look for in these conditions right now. Is a 5-minute thunder enough with this volume, or should I wait for a 15-minute pullback? We haven't had any 15-minute. 1 hour can still make a deeper bottom wick. Price action is just cringe. It's not cringe, it's just interesting. We need to see how to adapt and battle this right now. We've had an early move. If anything, today is going to be a very good information day, right? We're going to gain a lot of information on what time price is moving. You can see gold as well moving up here through this range here. Look at GU, right? Look at the power that's coming in GU here. A lot of GBP strength ahead of elections here. This is going to be a very special week, guys, with elections here. We could just have an absolute blast off here. 39 seconds for this 15-minute to close. I'm very tempted to go rip it on the next 15 close here. Because of this volume that we might have with elections, use 5-minute structure to our advantage. Yeah, let's see if we want to do this. Election week. Will be very interesting to trade election week. See if the 5-minute wants to close above or not. Need a bit stronger close than this. Not the best close, but it is a close. No bottom wick on this candle. Let it make a bottom wick and then we can go and see how we can play it. We can see how to play it. There's its bottom wick. Yeah, if this could break its low here and then reflip, interesting. A lot of volume here. I think I have to give this a shot here. With this volume. Let's see, next 1 minute candle here. Give me a pullback, just as I went to say that. Yeah, let this 1 minute candle come back and then I'm gonna give it a shot. Would you go full risk? No, I don't think so. But I need this 1 minute to come back. It jumped. It open gapped up on my broker. Like I couldn't even take it. All right, now it's coming back. Let's see what we can do with this. Yeah, I didn't have enough time to call that. Yeah, this is very hard market conditions to call these trades here. Need to be very, very fast. It's so hard. Yeah, you have to be so fast. I buy in GJ. Yeah, it's too fast. It's too fast. It's moving very fast. And my spread keeps jumping. Like literally when I was looking to enter here, I would have been entered maybe somewhere here. I'm fast? Yeah, that's good. But I'm not going to enter up here when we're scalping on 1 minute time frames. Yeah, I think I missed that. I was not fast enough. Tough to get in that for me. I was trying to get accurate entry, just breaking off this high here. This didn't come down low enough, then reflip pretty fast. If we get a retest on next 5 minute open, maybe I can go catch a scalp entry on the retest. But no, that was not enough for me. What's with the spread? Yeah, you have spread in your broker, right? So this just flipped. Maybe how many pips did this flip? This flipped like 0.4 pips here. So it's not enough for me for price to flip 0.4 pips and to get in. I need it to give me time to get in, basically. That's what I'm trying to say here. If this no top wick here, this could be extremely interesting. If it comes back down to this type of zone here, retest this top of the range here, we could be interesting here. Retest the top of the range. It's coming back. Could take this 1 minute break of high. Let's wait for this 1 minute to close here. And this would be the retest to flip the 5 minute. Yeah, this could be the retest to flip the 5 minute. What about that low? SL? Probably down here. I do kind of feel like I'm buying highs though. This is a riskier option here, but I'm going to give this a shot, breaking of this 1 minute high. Don't do this if you're not well off from last month. It's a little bit riskier. I'm going half risk on this. But I really want to give myself a shot, and I'm going to manage pretty quick if anything happens. Yeah, so we'll see if we can get back above there. Didn't get triggered yet. All right. Took that. Stop loss below these lows. See if we can get up towards the highs here. Flip of the 5 minute basically. Be good to break this 5 minute high. Nice. I accidentally double clicked, but I closed the first position. All right, would like to see this 5 minute now flip and break the high, and then I'm gonna be tight with management. As I just want to see volume come in from here. Great. Yeah, I'm not playing at these highs here. How much we up? 5 pips, 5-6 pips. Yeah, I'll be mental break even at this spot here because we're buying highs. I'm gonna be tight beginning of month, and I'll look to get back up to these highs, but so far it looks all right here. You know, I'm realistically happy here with at least like, you know, 10 pips or something here. 10, 11 pips, I'll be happy with such a scalp. But yeah, I'm not gonna let this be a losing trade, so yeah, watching this carefully. Let's go. Your hard B point where there's no chance you lose the trade is gonna be here. That's your hard B point where you don't even think about losing the trade. Which I'm gonna move in a second here, boys. If we tap that, I'll be hard B. We just need a little bit more juice to tap that zone. Okay, I don't like the way this is pulling back, so I'm gonna be hard BE here anyways. Yeah. And just leave it now to do its thing. Whatever happens, happens. Either I'm out or I'm out BE. So it's either TP or BE at the moment. Whatever happens, happens. We're scalping highs. I'm not going to, even if it does play out, I think I'm taking the safest option here. Whatever happens, happens. I'm tapped out. That's BS, bro. Come on. What type of spread? You have 18 pip spread? That was up 3.5 pips. I got in 5-minute flip. Even with 5-minute flip, man. What's going on? Oh. Looks like it's gonna tap me out. I'm still surviving this. You can see my SL still survived it. Hopefully we can survive it and get 10-15 pips. But I don't know. It's looking a bit weaker now. It's getting a little bit weaker. But this is not bad. It reached current yearly high. Yeah, I know we're buying highs. That's why I'm being aggressive. That's why I'm being aggressive. Which I've already managed my trade here, so I can't lose. I can't lose. I'm at break even. Whatever happens, happens. Right? This thing wants to dump now in 20 seconds. It dumps. I'm out. I gave myself a shot. It was worth it. It wants to pump. Let it pump. This is all depending on what market volume wants to do. But no way am I holding drawdown when I'm buying highs like this, because I don't have structure. If I hold drawdown, I probably have to hold all the way back to here. God knows where it will stop. Hopefully we can survive this bottom wick here. The good thing is we have this wick that price has to respect here as a good zone of respecting. So if price starts to break this wick, we could see some downside. One minute's looking great, right? So I've even put my entries like this with this gap here as well. So I've even put my break even a little bit here just so it can retest the top of the zone and spread won't tap me out. But spread is alright. Right now my spread is 0.4 pips. Yeah, 0.4, 0.5, 0.3, 0.5, so we're okay. We need to break this previous 5-minute high. Once we break the previous 5-minute high, we should get some more volume. And hopefully we can survive that. 0.4, yeah, 0.4 pips on GJ right now. Spread is 2.7, that's untradeable in a position like this, man. Damn, 2.7 is nuts. My spread pumped to 1 pip, it was 0.2 before. Yeah, that's the thing, man, right? If it comes close to entry and then spread spikes like that, you get tapped break even. I think we can survive, hopefully. We just need to slowly make our way up and maybe we can get 10-12 pips in this bitch. We shall see. It looks alright, but I don't want to say anything until we start breaking the high. But so far, I like the way that 1 minute structure is forming. I like that the way we're progressing. And I think we can hit TP. I hope we can. I hope we can. It's looking likely here. It's a little bit more. Here we go, boys. Be ready for TP, please, sir. Sir, TP, sir, please. Hello. And man, this is playing games with me. Shit. I didn't close yet. Wasn't enough, but damn, came so close. 10 pips there. I said 10, 12 pips. No way this is gonna do this. No way I'm gonna get 10 pips and then get break even. I'm out break even. I'm out break even. No. 10 pips and you take me out break even? No. Look, 1 pip from TP. I should have just secured. I was so tempted. 1 pip. 1 pip from TP. 1 pip. I just didn't close because of risk to reward. Tap my entry like that? I thought at least I have. Ah. Damn. Fuck. Nasty. I should have. What? No, this is dirty, bro. This is dirty. Maybe I should. I don't know. Yeah, that should have tapped me break even. I don't even want to look at my terminal. That was our exact 1-to-1, right? That's closing at our exact 1-to-1. 11 pip stop loss for 11 pip TP. But it gave us 10. Exactly 10 pips, and then we get this rejection. Damn, bro, damn. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate for sure. That should be a win. That is definitely a winning trade here. I didn't even look at my terminal. I don't want to look at it. It's make me upset now. Make me upset. Now we have to watch it hit TP here. We have to watch it hit TP. Wait a minute. Is this not updated? Wait a minute. What? No. Damn, was teasing me, bro. Didn't load. Yeah, that's a shame. Shit, man, shit. Anyways, that's literally pissed me off. Gonna put that in my journal. That definitely is a win trade. Like I'm so tempted to count that as a win, man. That's such a win. But anyways, that's so unfortunate. I was literally gonna say if we got one more push, I was gonna be like, I'm calling it first trade of the month. I want to secure something first trade of the month. But since I went a little bit reduced risk, I had to get my 1-to-1 in order for it to make sense, right? In order for it to make sense, I needed to get my 1-to-1, right? Because I went reduced risk. Now, if I went my normal risk size, yeah, I think I could have gone a little bit bigger in size. I mean, I could have closed at that exact 10 pips there because it would have been worth it at that point. At this point, it wasn't worth it. Still hasn't hit TP. I really hope it dumps now. Please dump. Please dump. But yeah, that's about it. What time did we take that trade, guys? We took that trade on the flip. But I like the entry. I like the plan. Everything was good here. 10.23. I like the attempt. 23. Fuck. This is more pissing off than a loss. I promise you, this is more pissing off than a loss. One pip, my friend, one pip. But this shows you that we don't close on emotions, right? We close on technical, reaching our 1-to-1 to make the trade make sense long term, right? In terms of my plan. My mentor Tom calls this being a dick for a tick. I'll therefore take the B. Yeah, it is. Actually, SoMX should be out because this man closes at 6 pips. This is enough for him. 6 pip wonder. We have a hectic week this week. We do. We kept safe. I mean, we're keeping safe. We're doing all the right things here, guys. We're doing all the right things, but it's okay. It happens. You know, one pip from TP. It goes to show you that it's a winning trade, anyways, right? It shows you that it's a winning trade, anyways. I really do think this will hit TP though, but there's no way I can enter. So what can I do? What can I do? Please tell me. I took gold was doing same as GJ. Yeah, that was nice. Break all the rules at enter? No, not at these prices now. I'm not gonna break the rules. Looking at the trade we took, I think we were amazingly patient, waited for correct structure to form, and then still gave it a risky shot. We're still buying highs, guys. We're still buying highs. We need to be careful. Ugh. What if I just... No. I wouldn't have done that, no. I was gonna say, what if I left stop loss below this candle, but I wouldn't have done that because the next 5-minute close, I said I would have moved even stop loss in profit, let alone break even. Anyways, I need the bathroom. I got out, tapped out, break even on that. Literally perfect BE tap. Oh! Good. It never hit TP, guys. It never hit TP. It never hit TP. I feel so much happier, guys. I feel so much happier. You don't know how happy I feel. Because it never even hit TP. Yeah, let the intervention come right now. TP. What is this number here? 259 is a deadly number. Anyways, we can remove all this. Watch the price action form. Ah, I guess we react off that 4 hour. You know, but we didn't react right at it. The 1 minute was looking very promising, right? When we were back here, I saw this 1 minute close, and then we formed this one here, this rejection, right? So this 1 minute was looking great, and then we formed this rejection. Then it came, tapped us, break even. Technically, it didn't really tap break even, but with spread, I definitely got tapped break even. So that was that. End of story. End of story. Why are you happy? Because it tapped me up break even and it never hit TP anyway. So no way in this trade, right? No way in this trade I could have taken, I would have not got out break even because it hit my break even point and everything, right? So that's why I'm happy, because it shows me that there's, you know, it's a more annoying if it hit TP. Hi, can you explain why you took this entry kind of fast? Just want to know. Yeah, so the whole idea is we broke out the range. We need structure above the range. I was looking for buys above 204. We pushed a bit hard. We got nice structure here. But again, it was too hard to enter down here. I never got an entry shot. So I waited for 1 minute to form a retest. 5 minute open, no top wick. If that's going to be the retest, we should be able to get the continuation in this very heavy trend. Right? And we just have so much structure for price to respect, right? Price respected this structure, price respected this structure, so we can manage it like that, right? We can manage it like that. Anyway, just go toilet and come back. Again, more of a risky scalp. Yeah, so it seems like we're respecting that 4 hour resistance is key now, right? We knew buying into 4 hour resistance we should be taking profits, but 1 pip, it could do us a favor and give us 1 extra pip, would have been nice. I took 7 pips. Yeah, some people close with 9 pips here. We have people with 9.5 pips. Some people close manually. Many people took profits on that. Personally, I didn't, as it didn't reach the target I wanted to close at. If I was full risk, I would have taken profits, as it would have been worth it monetary wise, but not now. Not now. End of month, maybe yes, just to take more money, but not now for me. Gold closing bearish at the top of the range. No top wick on this candle here. Not really an ideal entry for setup 2, to be honest. With no top wick here. No 5 minute structure as well. I would love to see this make a top wick, make 5 minute structure, and then break down for sells. I do like the idea of sells though. Bearish bias today. We just need a change of structure now. 5 minute needs to give a... We need a top wick anyway, so... So yeah, that's how that's gonna work. all good. This move in the markets are volume or some news in the market? Volume. This week is a very interesting week because we have election week this week. Can you put all your setups into one playlist? Yeah, it's already there. It's already on my YouTube as well. So yeah, you can go visit it. Make sure you watch yesterday's video. I'm not unhappy how we managed that trade. I think we did well. In terms of following the plan, yes. What day is election? It is Thursday. Thursday we have elections. Which pair do you think will give us a trade today? We just took a trade on GJ. So we had a trade, but missed our TP by... Some people secured, but missed my TP by 1 pip. So I didn't make anything on that. And it's just following the plan, right? What can I do? Some days will be like that, right? You'll push into deep profit, but it'll just come back to break even. But the key is not to close emotionally, because long term, if you're closing emotionally, then your losses are going to be way bigger than your wins. You know, and that's what I'm trying to avoid. Especially when I reduce risk in this position, since it was a scalp, there's no point of me closing early, because now you're literally making nothing, right? I mean, I'm making something, but the plan was to make around, you know, $400-500 in this trade and call it. I'm not going to close at $250, you know, $300. And that's how it is. What trade did the exclusive guys take on gold? They're talking about gold at the moment. They were looking at setup 2 here, but we had no top wick. The trade you took was good on GJ, just being an amazing exit. Yeah. Yo, is the group open? Yes, you're right. Beginning of the month, we have opened, but there was 4 people on the wait list. So since there were 4 people on the wait list, now there's about 6 spots left remaining. 6. So we keep it small. Maybe I'll leave it at 10. It's okay. It doesn't make a big difference. I can handle that. But again, I want to know who's coming in and who's going out. That's the only reason I do it. And for that reason only. Not some stupid gimmick. If it was a gimmick, then I would keep the group open the whole time. But yes, if you've been wanting, now you can. We are open, right? So look forward to having you part of the team. OCD with numbers? Yeah. Nah, I mean, what's the difference, man? If someone wants to join, they can join, right? We know the group is not saturated. So we did make a top wick here, but it was very small, right? Do you reduce your risk in setup 1 compared to setup 3 compared to setup 1? No. But this setup was from 1 minute time frame we were finding entries. So it was a tight scalp. We were using volume to our advantage, trying to continue the move. So whenever we do stuff like that, we need to, you know, be careful, right? Because this pullback could have happened at our entry. Now, if this pullback happened when we entered, yeah, we lose the trade. But we manage risk because we know the possibility of that. Compared to when we're entering at structural points, we don't have to worry about pullback because we expect this pullback to happen. If it just fails, then the setup fail and you take that as a full loss. Get on with your day. That happens. That's how you trade. Trade is not 100%. It's just part of your trading. You know? I might post today on Instagram. The last 3 weeks of last month, I was doing a lot of, you know, lower risk and then higher risk, lower risk. And we were taking minimal positions, maybe 1 to 2 positions a week. And I want to show you the results of that. I hate flaunting profit. I don't like doing it. Everyone does it. But maybe it will be a good thing to do. Let me know in chat if you, I mean, you guys will want to see it. You guys love to see profit, but I might show you just the results of how that works. It might seem like we're not doing much, but it adds up. I'll post that on Instagram today. If you know, I hate boasting profits and stuff like that, but yeah, we can do that. We can do that. Yeah, I'll post a little video just explaining how. Took a withdrawal as well. That got approved yesterday, the withdrawal on the way to my bank account. Not a big one though, because I also withdrew last month. Story or full video? Just a story. Just a story. Just so you guys see how it works with numbers as well. Like, I'm not a guy who's going to sit there and flex profits, but I also do want you guys to see how it works with numbers, as there needs to be some form of transparency of that as well. What makes you bearish on gold? Bearish bias. Now bias can change, but just bias is bearish here. Yeah, I don't like the zone we wicked into. We're respecting 4-hour support. It's just a very tough zone at the moment. I spoke about this in the webinar. This mid-range here is deadly, deadly. If you guys haven't watched the webinar in the exclusive group, guys, if you haven't watched the webinar with the analysis, monthly, quarterly analysis, analyzing the 3-month candle, stop being lazy. Because we were explaining about this middle range here is going to be the most inconsistent on gold, right? Why is it going to be the most inconsistent? Because we're mid-range. Above here, look at the buys. Below here, look at the sells. Mid-range, be patient for solid setups. I saw a WAP band on your hand. This is not WAP, this is a Fitbit, because I want to see the time as well and I want to see my steps. Hey man, just want to thank you about the free Pip Labs trial. It's helping a lot. Oh, I appreciate that, man. We did do that, right? We have the Pip Labs free trial is now available on Pip Labs. I actually was going to post this a little bit later, end of stream. But yeah, free trial finally available. You get to use it for 2 days for free. Full version, guys, for free, 0. So you guys wanted that, so we made it. We made it on Pip Labs. I can post that in chat here. Free. Let's post that in chat for you guys. Free trial on Pip Labs. And I have a gift for you guys. Let me just post that in chat for you guys. But yeah, free trial is now active, right? Not interested in GJ with this 1 hour close. The 4 hour resistance we tapped, right? This is the problem we have. We tapped 4 hour resistance. Now we have structure being made. So we need probably something closing above for continuation, right? Because we just have back-to-back 1 hour candles. Look at the last time we had a 1 hour pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, 6. It's too much. I feel like we're buying highs. We already were buying highs. I hear gift. Yeah, you'll see it. I'll write it in chat. I'll tell you in a minute. Pip Labs, 2-day free trial. And the gift is 20% off now. That's a new gift, code summer20, you get 20% off. Yeah, we'll put that in chat, there we go. That's the gift, 20% off to celebrate the free trial. I don't want to enter my credit card. If you don't want to enter your credit card, then you just go and use the demo version and you can backtest 2-3 weeks of data. But if you want to try the full version, you have to be a member, and that's how free trial works. I don't know if you've used the free trial on any other website, but you have to sign up, because the idea is if you like the free trial, then you're going to be a member, right? Now, if you're just signing up for the free trial to cancel immediately, which we've had a lot of people. So if you're going to act, if you just want to take advantage of us and you don't want to be a member or use the tool and just use it for 2 days because you can't afford $20, then what you have to do, like let's say you want the tool but can't afford $20, what you have to do is, if you cancel and you just want to take advantage of our free trial and not pay anything, the one thing I ask from you guys, I don't mind that because we're giving you 2 days for free. We don't mind as well. Right? We don't mind as well. But the one thing I ask you guys is, please leave us feedback in Discord tickets. Like, if you just leave us general solid feedback, like if you're using it for free for 2 days, that, and you don't want to pay, just leave us feedback. That's all I ask, right? So take advantage if you want, but all I ask is to leave some sort of feedback, right? So in the Discord, open a ticket and just leave us some sort of feedback. Can be short, can be long, a suggestion, anything, right? Something that maybe you want it to be better. That's all I ask, right? And if you're a paying member, then of course you're always welcome to get feedback. Is there a list of pairs and indices on Pip Labs? Yes. What is this product? It's a backtesting simulating software. You can simulate trading the markets live. How you would trade the markets live, you can simulate that. The pairs here, if you go on demo and you click pairs, you can see all the pairs. They are, but you can see these are all the pairs. So for indices, if you click on the indices tab, we have DAX, NASDAQ, US 30, and S&P. Should we spoil the Fantasim coming? Nah, not yet. Not yet, not yet. Yeah, we do have some nice upgrades coming in the future. Some interesting stuff that's gonna come. You're looking for new entry? Yeah, but I think new entry will be buys above this 4-hour resistance. We are rejecting the 4-hour resistance. You think Pip Labs will have more data in the future? I think we have a lot of data, but yeah, we can add, but 5 years of data is enough. I think 5 years of data is enough. The caveat is that we upload 2024 data, so we want to keep up to date. But yeah, in the future, when we can scale the business to buy more servers, for sure we can do so. We can add, 7, 8, 10 years even worth of data. It's just based on server capacity, nothing else. That's all it's based off. What about setup 2? Since we tap target, it becomes tough. And remember, the first setup 2 after a big push normally fails. See gold as well. You see this, why we don't take this setup 2 as well here. No structure inside. Fails. Well, not failed yet, but it's failing. Now if something can close back below here, maybe you have options for sells again. GJ is pulling back beautifully here, and I'm happy with the way we matched. Now if we start pulling back deeper, we create more range for potential trades, right? We create more range for what? Potential trades. Please don't spam in chat. Moderators will ban you. Setup 5 will be clean? Yes, that would be like the next type of setup here. You speak well, Harry? Ah, yeah, for someone who didn't go to university like you guys say, then it's alright. What broker using? IC. Open gold? Yeah, we've been looking at gold back and forwards here. When to use 5-minute entry for setup 1? None of the time. You only use 5-minute for extra confirmation. You should have a relevant setup, active setup on, what's this called, 15-minute. Sneaky attack on uni. When we took the trade, how many viewers we had? Almost 700 viewers. Then when trade was break even, we lost 200 viewers. Guys are so impatient. I know, I don't make fun of university. Education is great, right? As long as you put the work in university. I just hate people who are just going to university and not doing anything with it. That's how it is. Hey man, I'm just curious how Pip Labs will do against free online backtesting softwares like Traders Casa. Traders Casa. Difference with Pip Labs is that we are the first web-based tick, right? We have ticks. On top of that, we host a lot of... It's impossible to run it for free because of the information you have to save, right? And the data you have to have. On top of that, we have partnerships. We have partnerships with Tradingview. So not anyone can partner with Tradingview. So we have partnerships with Tradingview to host so that you guys can backtest on something you're familiar with, like Tradingview, right? You guys all love to use Tradingview, but imagine now to have Tradingview with the same way your broker moves with ticks and not having to skip candles like the replay. And look, the problem when we skip candles, if I go to the 1 hour time frame, it just skipped everything. It showed me what the 1 hour did, but you'll not have that problem on Pip Labs. GU dumping strong? Yeah, we're just seeing a pullback here. We pumped really aggressively here. We knew a pullback was coming at some point. Question is when. That's why we were aggressive with break even. Did you enter bank info when withdrawing money in IC? Yeah, so the way I withdraw money from IC markets is I do a wire transfer. So yeah, they have my IBAN and everything. Also, that's the same way I deposited, right? Now, actually, IC Market asked me for a statement. They asked me for a statement when I first made wanted to make a deposit. They asked me for a statement. I think the biggest deal right now is having tick-based precision and the prop firm simulator. Yes, we are the first tick-based and the first prop firm simulator. No one in the industry allows you to simulate prop firm passing. We allow you to simulate you passing a prop firm. That's a huge practice tool. It's a huge practice tool. If you can't pass a prop firm on a simulator, then you're definitely not passing in real life, guaranteed. Unless you get lucky, of course, that's different. I mean, the thing, Antonio, is that tick data is such a big deal, but no one really understands it, unfortunately. They don't know how much of a big deal till you actually use it. How do you get your bank info? Would you like me to share my bank info with you and my number and everything? I'm being in contact with Tutor Man. Yes. What's the demo? What's the difference if I use demo in Pip Labs or real? I have backtest my strategy. Demo only allows you 2 to 3 weeks of data. You cannot use the prop firm simulator, and you can only backtest GBP JPY, and that's it. Have made any more trades today? No, today I've only taken one trade, right? I've only taken one trade so far, and that's it. There you go. So now you don't have to ask that question. It's on the screen. For those who trade future can relate to ticks, yes. I'm asking because I cannot find for my bank. Go to your bank account, click account, and does your bank have an app? If your bank doesn't have an app, you need to go on the website. If your bank doesn't even allow you to go on the website, right, you can find account information. You have to call your bank and ask for the information. Can you give me 10 USDT to start my trading journey in Forex? Listen, I'm going to tell you something very true here, brother. I respect you trying to better your life. I respect you wanting to do something good. I respect you trying to earn more money than you currently have. But begging is never gonna get you there, I promise you. Begging is never gonna get you there. You have to go and start to earn money to trade, no matter what, right? $10 is not gonna do anything, bro. $10, go treat your friends and family to some sort of lunch with that, if it can afford it, right? So please, man, please go and work on priorities at the moment. Yeah, $10, you ain't gonna do much, man. You're not gonna do much in this game, I promise. You know? Imagine he got from 10 streamers. Yeah, I doubt them. Most streamers don't want to help, right? So go hustle, man. Go hustle. Start earning money. Start hustling and then look to diversify your income. Think of trading as an investment tool. It's an investment tool that you need to learn to make sure, because most likely you're going to lose money when you start trading, guys. You don't come to trade and start winning money instantly. You're going to lose money. So you need to have money and willing to lose money. Right? Because it's an investment. You have to learn. And then once you learn the skill, only then can it print you money. You know? Only then can it print you money and you can start earning from this. And when you start earning, you're not going to start earning what you dreamed of. You're going to start earning small. $100, $50. And then you scale. It's a process. Look at this rejection we're having here. Very interesting rejection. 5-minute back-to-back candles here. Probably we'll see this maybe possibly reject one more time. But if this is going to be a liquidity grab and then 1 hour starts to get back above 4-hour resistance, today we might just have some madness and we continue above 4-hour resistance. Gold at the moment is trying to dump down here. We broke these lows. I would like to see a close below. Now I'm starting to like a close below this zone as we start to reject this multiple times. What lot size should I open with a $500 account in gold? It depends on your stop loss, right? How big is your stop loss? If you have a 3 pip stop loss, you can open a bigger bigger lot size than if you have a 100 pip stop loss. All depends on stop loss. Yeah, big flip here. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see what it wants to do. Does it want to start ranging here, or do we want to get moving? Do we want to get moving? We will see. It is a big boy liquidity grab. We'll see what we want to do. Interesting first day of the month. I think it's been quite exciting. It looks nice. But do we see the difference, guys? Do we see the difference? How end of month was all choppy and then suddenly new month, it's like everything changes within one day. It's not even like we waited till Tuesday. It's like Monday straight back. And this is my point, that you can see the difference. Like, look, everyone, new quarter, everyone's back in the markets. You know? Like, there's obviously volume here. People are trading. And it's election week, NFP week, all of this, man. Did you take partial on the first trade? No, I went reduced risk on the first trade, so I wanted to get my 1-to-1. I was 1 pip away from TP. 1 pip. Just 1 pip. Have you ever faced emotional issues like you need to trade every move you see starting days? And yes, how did you deal with it? I need help with same situation. I didn't have that exact problem, as my problem more was hesitation to take trades. But a lot of people have your issue. A lot of people in the group come to the exclusive group with the same issue, and my answer is always the same, is that you have to set up a routine, come to the charts at specific times, and leave the charts to stop over trading, right? Focus on only 2 trades a day. I know that sounds crazy, but that's it. Like, that's it. Treat it like a job, simple. Yeah, treat it like a business, right? So how do we run businesses? Like, I made a video on my YouTube channel about that. So how do you treat a business here? So a business, you have operations and staff follow the operations. Your operations is your plan, and your job is to follow your plan, and that's it. Why can't we close partial on 1 lot? You can. Half of a 1 lot is a 0.5 lot. You can't close partial on a 0.01 because that's the smallest lot size, right? Unless there is like those smaller accounts, right? Like penny accounts. I heard about that. Is that true or not? I should know this, but anyways. How is the McLaren? Not how is the McLaren, how was the McLaren? McLaren's not mine, I took it for the day. Is it me, or hitting B after seeing huge profit hurts more than taking a loss? Yeah, for sure. I mean, depends. If you like you, man, you've been watching the stream for a while. You know how the process works. You know, you've seen trades come, you've seen trades go, you've seen TP hit, you've seen SL hit. So you know the process. So at this stage, when we've done the work and waited for our setup and we're 1 pip away from TP, that hurts. Because we know if we take a loss, it's part of the game. We move on to the next trade. It's just part of the process. Still 0.01 is the smallest, which on these account have a value of 0.0001. No, 0.01 is $1 per 10 pips. Depending on the pair, of course, but in general consensus. That would be 0.0001. All right. I'm sure that there is now 0.00, yeah, cent accounts. Yeah, cent accounts. What would you use a cent account for? Why does US news affect GJ? Right? Why does US news affect GJ? Because US news affects GJ. The reason why is because the JPY is a safe haven currency. So safe haven currency, whenever there's turbulence, we can say, in the market, money goes into yen and gold, affecting GJ. I use one for what? Backtesting purposes? I mean, you would never trade one, right? It's only for testing purposes, I would say. Cent account for psychology. Because if your capital is small, you can work on cent. Yeah, but how small we're talking about? $10, $12? Yeah, testing, that's what I mean. But you're never going to really trade on a cent account. If I do 100 cent would be $1. Yeah, especially if you're layering in positions, it's fine. But I'm talking about opening one position on a cent account. It seems very, not very useful. NFP and CPI gambles? Maybe we gamble this week. Maybe. Maybe we have some fun. But we won't do it on YouTube because I don't want to promote that stuff. I don't want to promote that stuff. I think cent account very good for practice. Yeah, exactly. I agree. It's practice. Why am I not bullish on gold? Because bias is bearish, but I can see the case for things flipping around, but it's not going to flip around now. It's probably going to flip around above this resistance. Breaking all of this structure, that's probably where your buys are going to come above here. Good practice, but not a big difference between cent account and demo. Yeah, I think you should just pop 0.01s, right? Risk $1 per 10 pips. And if you can't afford that, $1, you probably need to be working a little bit more here. Hey bro, it's good to see you. Good to see you bro too as well. Thank you very much. Did you guys like yesterday's video? You like this video? I think a lot of people messed this up. So recommend after stream you can have a watch of this. Yeah, support and resistance, yeah. Did we reach freaking 500 followers? 7.5. Oh, finally 7.5. Yay, YouTube has almost 60k. My Instagram lacking. No one wants to watch my stories of gym and stuff like that. You guys don't want to see gym stories? You don't want to see gym stories? Oh, I forgot to post my my trades on here. My last trade, I forgot to post this trade here, this gold buy. Claudio, where are you traveling to? Look at this guy on the plane. On your... Put them on, bro. This is amazing marketing in there. Shout in the... Actually, no, I shouldn't say shout in the plane because I forgot. You're on private jet, right? You're part of Tradesharpe. You know, Tradesharpe gang don't fly public planes. What's a public plane, bro? Are you kidding me? Business first or private? BFP. No, we hit BE. Can you believe it? 1 pip from TP. Look, TP was here, 70. It stopped here. Came to BE. And since I reduced risk, I wanted the 1-to-1, you know? Please enter the date. You're right. I do need to enter the date. You're right. The 1st. Boom. Maybe, yeah. It seems like it's setting up. Gold sells below 20. 20 too late for sells, bro. 20 too late to sells. If you're going to risk it for the biscuit, probably sells are going to come below 24 here, 24,500. But I don't know. It's a very choppy zone, this. Remember, this mid-range is danger. Buys above 28 here, 28, 300. Yep, start to make sense. But again, bias is still bearish here. You would be taking counter trend, but at least we would be breaking daily resistance, breaking that 4-hour zone, and we would look to be changing kind of mixed bias now. And you would anticipate in an hour, if we start breaking this zone, that the 4-hour would end up closing bullish and allow you to take buys above that 28, right? Bro, can you explain what we're waiting for on GJ? But bias is bullish, but I think it's pumping down. Yeah, we took buys. Do you remember we took the buys on GJ because bias was bullish? So now we need structure, right? It's not pumping down. It's pump down, then pump up. That's how markets work. They'll push down and push up. It's very normal movement in the market. But what we need is we probably need either to trade back up to the highs, which we can't because we've rejected here. So now we can look for continuation above the highs, but we've had this massive push already. So we need to see what price wants to do now. Does it want to range? Does it want to close above the range and continue? Does that want to happen by New York? When we don't know any information, it's Monday. What we have discovered today is that there was volume early in the session. Last month, most trades, look at the difference. Most trades were coming 12, 11, 12. These times 11:30. Today we got a trade at 10:30 or 10:23. Volumes come a little bit earlier today, so we have to take this information to account. Now we're seeing rejection at London Open here. So this is all things we're taking into consideration. What the heck? Where the heck is the 4-hour resistance? You have to scroll back like ages. It's a go rewind the beginning of the stream. You'll see. Don't worry, Harry. I was once away 1 pip from not only profit but from taking 8% of phase 1. But guess CPI came. Yeah, but bro, and even though I was BE, I lost the challenge. Yeah, because news will slip your stop loss. But yeah, that's unfortunate. News is always risky. But I'm glad you were BE at news. Having a gap, can you enter another broker chart if it is clean? Some brokers fill the gap, bro. You need to check your own actual broker in terms of terminal. Check your broker terminal. Hey Harry, I googled and YouTubed. I like this. I like this. At least he said that he googled and YouTubed first, right? I googled and YouTubed why the JPY is a safe haven currency. I can give you the article for why the JPY. 4 minutes for this candle to close here. If it dumps too much more, I don't have space to enter. I don't have space to enter. We need it to chill, right? But in your course, you said that levels are not valid if they're older than 6 months. They're not recent levels, no, because economic conditions change, but we have to still consider them. But they're not, you don't ignore them, you can just, but they're not guaranteed. It's not like, okay, that's a must. That's why we bought into that today, right? That's why we bought into that. So the reason why JPY is a safe haven, guys, is because the JPY has a very low interest rate here. And the euro is even a safe haven, believe it or not, right? So, but the main reason attraction for the JPY is because of the low interest rate, which is why we see money move into the JPY, right? A lot of people used to invest money into JPY long term. Is that a risky trade right now because there's a lot of euro news coming? Yeah, but we're not trading euro, right? What about GU? Depends what's happening with GU. Yeah, GU would be the same. We had the same push up already on GU. We tapped resistance. Now you'd be looking for structure to form to try take buys to retest the high, but majority of the move has happened. What's bias today on GU? Yeah, we're bullish bias, so you'd be looking for buys. I'm hesitant because of bank holiday. Today is not a major bank holiday, right? Look at today's bank holiday. Today bank holiday is CAD bank holiday. Who cares? I mean, not who cares, but who cares? Only bank holiday we have to worry about this week is USD bank holiday. That's a big one, right? I mean, this day I think this day is looking very tough. We have elections and USD bank holiday on same day. GBP affected and USD affected. It's not like I can trade gold. Where would stop loss be? I think you'd have to run it above 15-minute candle high here. Not you would have to, but that's where it would go. But it has to close below this zone here. It doesn't close below the zone, I don't like it. For myself. I'll be full margining GJ on Thursday. I'll explain about elections closer to the time. But it's going to be a big... It's not going to be... if Labour get elected, we'll have to see... There'll be a lot of uncertainty in the economy, right? Because of investments, FDI. We've seen foreign direct investments really be messed up in UK recently. So the way that Labour Party is going to accommodate for that, obviously they're going to be taxing the rich. If they're going to be taxing the rich, then we're going to see money leave the UK, which then can affect, right? Affect the pound here. It's my last day in this stream. What makes you decide not to watch this stream anymore? Like, how do you retire from the stream? Can we close below? No, we didn't close below, guys. We closed right at. Even if I draw this super accurate, we're still right at. So it's not following my plan, this. Not following my plan. This is a 30-minute close as well. 30-minute does look good. You could take it based on 30-minute though. Right, you could take it based on 30-minute. You have 37 pip stop for 22 pip target. I don't want to really jump into anything negative. First trade of the month. First day and first trade of the month. If Labour get elected, we're shorting that thing. Pound could pump because we could see a new policy be created, right? And pound could pump based on that policy. Is GJ bullish? Yeah, I think it's more bullish than bearish for sure. When is result of election? It is on Thursday, but they didn't announce what time. It's an all-day event. Yeah, we're rejecting off that support that I marked. So this is proving to me that this support is relevant here. It's not some bullshit support, it is relevant. And in order to get continuation down, we've seen it back here be problems. We've seen this wick here be problems. In order to get continuation down. GJ is starting to range now after that episode it had in the morning. Man, come on, bro. What the fuck? Give us 1 pip extra to give us profit for the day, bro. You show me 400 bucks and I want 5. That's nuts. So okay, follow my plan, because if I were to lose that trade, I'll lose 500. Now I'm securing less than I win. Not good long term. It's okay sometimes, but not every time. Not every time. You're risking 100 per pip? No, my stop loss was not 5 pips. My stop loss was 11 pips. So do the calculation. So maybe, yeah, it's around $50 per pip. What was the comment of the day? Nothing yet, man. Nothing yet. There was one comment which was a contender, okay? There was a contending comment which was he's like golf is going up or down, but when I look at my keyboard, F is next to D, so I know he meant gold, right? So that was a contender, but still, comment of the day has not come yet. Because that's an easy mistake from gold to golf. It's much better than goids. Today I infect you with goids, be careful. Oh yeah, that was the comment. Yes, PC nerd, that was the that was the comment of the day, but I don't think that's enough. I don't think I can say that on YouTube. That's too messed up. Right? I'm proud to be a dad and then talk about his sister, man. That's too far. It's too far. It's one step too far, man. I couldn't screenshot that and post that. It was freaking funny though. Shout out to you, Harry. You really helped me understand price action when I was starting out in 2021. Shout out to you, man. Being OG from 2021. Crazy, huh? Sweet home Alabama, bro. Come on. It's obviously a troll. Of course, yeah, but it's funny, man. The comment is funny. It shouldn't be funny, though. Oh, he's here. He's here. I'm glad you like what's going on in my life. Chance Brown. Yep, there's a chance your pants are gonna become brown in a minute, brother, after the shit you're putting yourself through. You see that? That was like a triple, pardon the pun, right? His name is Chance Brown. I said there's a chance his pants are gonna become brown with the shit you're putting yourself through. Like, come on. That's mastery at work, putting that vocabulary together. Give Goids is the Give Goids is the comment of the year. Yeah, I think that, or BioSeal. I like BioSeal. Seal is pretty funny. Seal was pretty funny. Okay. Gold trying to make lower highs here. Lower highs. Match this high. 1 hour still hasn't closed bearish. Are you done for today? No, I'm not done, but I'm looking for setups. GJ, I don't see anything. GJ is trying to work on a pullback. Gold is trying to set up now. We're just trading in a risky zone, so we don't want to rush anything. We didn't rush, otherwise we would have been about 2 pips from SL. Right, if we rushed into it. Actually, we would never have entered because the only entry will be break of low. But or sell, bro, I've seen you in chat before. That doesn't work. We need it natural. It has to be from someone who we've never seen in chat, and he naturally comes and generally wants to know the answer. Buy or seal, bro. Make sure, guys, if you do use the Pip Labs, right, make sure that you do use the 20% off, right? Take advantage of the 20% off. It will apply automatically. Yo, Nightbot is telling someone off in chat. Can't we claim to be natty? What do you mean, can't we claim to be natty? I mean, if you're taking your normal vitamins like testosterone, anadrol, and stuff like that, yeah, you know, that's just basic stuff. So you can claim that as vitamins. Tren also. Uh-oh, Claudio's back unmuted, and he's probably in the... Plain toilet, it sounds like. Oh, he's not. Oh, he landed already. This guy landed? Bro, you were on a plane for the same time in that I was streaming? That's crazy. 2 planes? I mistake SARMs for vitamins? No. I meant golf? Yeah, that was you, bro, NBA. That was you who wrote that. Let's see, spy on his location. Where is he going? If you're going to Romania, bring me back a wife. Where is he? Let's zoom in on this. Oh, we can see stocks here. Look, they're telling... So all the people who are traveling, right? In business class, you wouldn't have this. But if you're broke, right? They show you how much money you're losing. You're down 0.55% on this. And then they tease you. They show you if you've made money or lost money and then tease you with BMW. Right? They're like, but you could have one, but maybe not. Alexander Platz. Guys, tell me where he is from this image. Tell me where he is. This is job of Bogdan. Bogdan will be able to tell me. Deutschland. Berlin. I didn't ask. It looks German. I'm asking chat. I know where he is. Okay? Can I manually enter on break of wick on how to enter accurately? Yeah, manually enter. Manually enter. Deutschland? Okay, then he is in Deutschland. He said something, but I never read what he said. I wasn't bothered. 1 day break, I took the free ticket. I saw he's typing some BS in chat. I just ignored it. Really? He's in Schwyz? How do you say that? Schwyz. Probably at the airport? No, you don't say, do you, brother? Morocco? I don't think this is Morocco, man. He's in Berlin, 100%? Okay, done. I knew that. Yeah, my ass. Hey Harry, do you follow Andrew Tate? What do you mean? Do I follow him on Instagram? I think his Instagram blocked. You have investments, Harry? I invest in property here. Not so good if Labour get in power. Yes. It seems likely. I'm going to have problem because I'm non-domicile. If they do pass the bill to tax me, which I'm non-dom, then I'm going to have issues in UK. But I don't have, but that's why I invest in property here in Dubai, so I don't have that. But anyways, in terms of, that side of things, can be an issue, right? Bro, Hugh means when he says follow, you just don't want to get cancelled? No, why will I get cancelled? No, I'm saying, do I follow? Like, do I agree with Andrew Tate? Listen, man. Obviously, he says things that are to entertain, but some things are true. Some things are overdone. That's how it is. Hey Harry, it would mean a lot if you could be me and my sister, child, rich godfather. I'm alright, man. I don't know you. Why do I have to do everything? Why do I have to show you guys how to trade, show you live stream trades, give you the resources to trade, give you information? Where's my gift? Only thing I ask for a like, which you guys don't even press. The like and subscribe, I don't even get press. What's your opinion on Donvo? I don't know why everyone asks me that. I've answered that 1,000 times. It's like you guys want me to hate on him, but I don't hate on him. So it's not going to work. I said his process is similar. He looks at the market through price action, which I like. He has an abstract trading style in terms of TP and SLs. That's it. It works for him. He able to layer down into his positions. Something personally I wouldn't do myself, but it works for him. That's it. I respect the guy for showing up daily. I respect the guy for doing what he does, man. You know, it's not easy for streamers. All the streamers I have respect to. Right? You see, this is why we didn't want to take gold shorts too quickly, right? You see what bullshit is happening here in the markets? GJ starting to pull back a little bit deeper now. I'm about to crop and edit it. I'm gonna start FX beef. This is why I don't comment on any of this, because you guys want to start beef. People love beef. Harry, my dad is in Dubai finding business. Can you help him? Look, I'll be honest with you, man. A lot of people ask me for jobs. And as much as I would love to help him, I simply do not have anything I can help him with in terms of looking for jobs. If there is a position that comes up, yes. And it happens sometimes. You know? How you calculate your win rate? Wins and losses. Not a job, business, like what, he wants to buy a business here? I knew someone who was selling a limousine business. They were selling it for about, I think, $10 million. They were selling their limousine business, $10-15 million. But that sold. That sold. So I don't know anyone else who's selling their business. Now remember, the reason why it's so expensive for a limousine business is because of the inventory of cars. Can you give an example? Yeah, just type in Google win rate calculator, right? Win rate calculator, look. Then go take my win rate that we have on stream. So we have number of wins on stream, we have 75. Number of losses we have 21, and you'll get win rate 78.1. So this should be 78.1, but you guys told me 78.2. So you've been lying, guys. You've been lying. So I need to start doing my win rate again, because now it's inaccurate by 0.1%. And YouTube will hate on me for 0.1%. Who's this woman? Created by Bogna. Holds master degree. Why you put a full description of you creating a win rate calculator? Master degree in civil engineering. You see what's happening, guys? They civil engineer and end up doing software. This is copy and pasted from her CV. This is literally copy pasted from her CV. I should put that on website. Hello, my name is Harry. I'm an internet degen gambler. I like to come and ask people and tell people buy or sell. People ask me buy or sell, and if I don't tell them, they hate on me. Part of my job is to receive hate from YouTube chat. Thank you very much. That is my description. I also do my own shit. and I enjoy it. And I'm here every day because I love what I do, man. Harry showed, here's the translation. How long you been living in Dubai? Did you move there because of taxes? No, I was actually born here, bro. I was born here. Now gold, you would need another close below here. You see this close bullish, you would need something closing below. GJ is just ranging at the moment. I don't think we can get any trade. There's no setups yet, but we took a trade already. I don't know, you guys, we took a trade. We attempted. That's our job. We've done our job. Don't force anything. We've tried. If it's not going to give us 1 pip to TP, that's it. That's the problem. You guys can't make decisions for yourself. If you had enough profit, close. I know what I'm doing. I'm okay. I know my process. I know what I'm doing. I know everything. I'm on 1 week probation. Thank you. Thank you. I'm actually learning more than just trading from you, Harry. Love your mentality. I appreciate that. I'm glad. That's the whole point. We're here on streams, right? The whole point, we're here on the streams. This weekend, guys, I grinded like full. I'm still in grind mode from weekend. Full. I know everything. Okay, buddy. That's good. It's obviously a joke, man. Which month such session has nice price action? Actually, summer months we see breakouts, right? Summer months we see breakouts, so I actually enjoy summer months, to be honest. Yeah, we get good volume during March, April, May. March, April, February, March, we get good volume, but in terms of price action, I'm loving, you know, if you know everything. I never said I know everything. I was saying it as a joke. I'm new here, first stream. Can you give us summary about how to follow your trades? All right. Fucking learn the skill. That's how you're gonna follow my trades, man. Understand what's happening. Only joking, bro. Only joking, bro. He wants to be breastfed. That's a first, bro. That's a first. I like that, man. Not he wants to have his hand held. Not he wants to be guided. No, he wants to be breastfed. That's a good one. I like that. The F-bomb. Sup, Harry, I've been using your strategy for 2 weeks and I want to ask if you think it's possible to combine it with other strategies. I don't recommend, but it is possible, right? You can trade whatever you want to trade. Just don't confuse yourself, right? It's already hard enough to learn to trade a certain style. But remember, if you follow different strategies, make sure that they follow the same morals, right? Don't be SMC and price action. You know, those are not the same morals. But let's say since we're talking about Donvo, let's say you follow my strategy and you follow his strategy. They're not that far apart in terms of idea of how the charts move, right? Moving through ranges, support and resistance. So that would not be bad, right? But if you're gonna go follow like ICT and my strategy, now you start to confuse. I get the comment of the day. Yes, you do actually, you do. But normally they're like funny comments, like stupid comments. This is not just, this is just funny. This is good. GJ still working on a pullback here. We'll see what ends up happening. You opened an Emperor? Really? Damn. Oh, I wish it was factory new. So we're gonna chill this summer with some of this Harry? Yeah, I can't even speak, man. Can't even speak. Yes, you're gonna chill with me this summer if you want to. You can chill here in the mornings with me. Please buy your site. I hate how there's no controller support for Counter-Strike. Bro, you're gonna be banned, bro. You're gonna be banned for saying that. I have to ban you for asking for controller support in Counter-Strike. Are you mad? Shit, man. Minecraft is better than Counter-Strike? Yeah, because you're, you know. Actually, back in the day when I was young, Minecraft was a shit. Do you know how big roller coaster I built on Minecraft? I built a roller coaster that took 10 minutes, freaking almost 20 minutes to go around. Who built roller coasters? I haven't played CS since when? Oh, my heart, bro. Since 2012. Yo, bro. Yeah, it's just as popular. It's just as popular, man. It's picking up again. It's picking up. Now that we switched to CS2, it's banging again. CS2. We're on it. We're on it again. Last time I played was 2020. I picked it up in 2024 again. I was playing from 2016 to 2020. I even bought maps with roller coasters. Halo 3. Halo is a goated game. If you have one good friend and you play lobby together, just together, duo, Halo is a goated game. Halo is my favorite, man. Oh, man. That's nostalgic game. Yes, yes, bro. Xbox with your, you know, and you can complete campaign with your friend. And then there used to be, remember those maps you had to just kill the, I don't know what to call them, but the aliens. It was so good, bro. And you just play those. And then there's 1v1 maps. Bro. I think Halo was one of my favorite games. Halo and Far Cry. Far Cry was great. Too nostalgic, bro. Too nostalgic. Far Cry was such a beautiful game. It was solid. It was really solid game. It was done very solid. Yeah, I'm bullish bias on GJ, guys. So I'm not trying to sell GJ here. gold is still rejecting that support again and again and again. I don't like how now we're rejecting this support, so it just gets more fishier and more fishier. You know, not too sure about it, not too sure about it. For me, guys, I'm gonna wait till New York here. For me, guys, I tried it. I wish we got the extra 1 pip. We could have been one and done today and called it today, but that's how it's gonna be. Gold, I don't trust with the range we have here. It's not much of a range, right? Not much of a range to the 4-hour support. We're looking at 30 pips for 25. It's not that bad, but you have to close below. You have 30-minute before as well. It becomes a little bit tricky here. 1 hour, you know, can make sense, but yeah, for me, I'm just gonna rock up for next session and see how we can look to buy gold, maybe buy GJ in New York. We'll see if bias changes on GJ. We have 1 hour. This can end up flipping and closing bearish. So let's see what happens, guys. Appreciate everyone showing up to stream. Well managed on this morning trade, because if we just left SL or TP, we would have hit stop loss. So it's very good. It's very good that we did that. Have you played Hill Climb Racing? Yeah, of course. And yeah, with that being said, leave a subscribe. Hopefully I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We'll see you on tomorrow's stream. Good start of the month, and we're going to keep it going. So appreciate everyone. Have an amazing day. Take care. Trade sharp, and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. Peace.